Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nikki, and for those of you who do know me, you've been supportive, thank you so much for coming back. For all new viewers, I want you to do one thing for me before you leave my channel. I want you to hit the subscribe button. Y'all, it's gum. I'm sorry, it's gum so good, it's so good. Fresh piece. Okay, for all new viewers, before you leave my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and also hit that bell beside it so you never ever miss an upload from me, and you will always get notifications of when I upload a video. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, I know I have been super duper MIA, have not filmed in a while, and it just feels so good to be back and filming. The reason I haven't been in front of the camera in a while is because I've been sick and I've been trying to recover and heal my body and get myself back together and well for you guys so that I can deliver some great content for you guys. Oh, I have some looks for y'all and I can't wait to show them to you. It just feels so good to be playing in makeup again, and I've just missed filming. I've just missed putting on makeup, and I've just missed brainstorming, you know, different looks to create for you guys. But I'm definitely back for the long haul. I'm feeling much better. I think I was dealing with like a cold or a sinus infection. I don't know what it was, but it was like attacking my body, and I was like, Satan, you're not gonna win, because I got the film. So I gotta get back to work, and I gotta get on it and stay on it and keep pushing and thriving forward. So that's what I've been doing. I've just been working on myself, and also it was a nice mental break to just kind of get myself together, get my thoughts together, because I definitely truly needed a break. My body needed a break because I've been just going. I'm just so used to just moving and being on the go that I rarely ever take the time to really just take a break and take a rest. So being sick was kind of like a wake-up call that, hey, sometimes you gotta slow it down, and sometimes you definitely need to take a break, because your health is important. Your health is important. Health is wealth. And I definitely needed that time to really get my body readjusted and to get back into the swing of things. But I am back. Like I said, I'm back for the long haul. I have come up with a plan, so I know my limits. I know how not to push myself too hard anymore. But I'm also going to be pumping out videos for you guys because I've been in the holiday spirit and I want to do some holiday looks. So that's what today's look is going to be. Today's look is going to be a holiday makeup tutorial with green glitter and some nice beautiful berry lips, you guys. This is going to be just such a beautiful look. And I'm going to stop rambling and stop talking so much because I don't want this intro to be super duper long. But if you want to see how I achieved the look, then of course just continue to watch. Come on, keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're gonna get started. For primer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the hydrating and smoothing primer in the shade 050, and I love this primer so much because it truly hydrates my skin. Next, I'm gonna go in and do a little color correcting. I'm using this LA Girl Pro color corrector in orange, and I love these concealers so much, and I especially love this one because it really truly covers any dark spots or any pigmentation that I may have, and my foundation just lays so smoothly and flawlessly on top of this concealer. So I'm just doing some color correcting today. And for foundation, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Nutmeg. And for concealer, the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Sand. You guys know this is like my ride or die concealer, and I've used it a lot here recently on my channel, and I've just been using it all the time, really. Next, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to set all of the places that I have applied the concealer. So under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. So those are the areas that I'm going to set, and I'm also going to set around my mouth so that I get smile lines really bad, so that there's no creasing around my lips and my mouth so that when I smile my makeup doesn't look like it's cracking. So absolutely hate that look, so I'm gonna make sure I'm sitting everywhere. Alright you guys, so for the remainder of my face, I'm taking another Makeup Revolution powder, and this is in the shade Terracotta, and I'm just going to set the outer perimeter of my face. So this is pretty much going to lock my foundation in, and I've added this step to my makeup routine and it has worked wonders. It gives me just such a flawless beat. Now I'm going to go in, this is just an extra added step that I like to do. I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 330 Toffee, and it's a matte and poreless powder, which I love. The color is just, you know, it's definitely my winter color. I was using it a little bit in the summer. It wasn't working for me, but I'm glad to be able to use it now because it's definitely my winter shade. And I just like to just kind of presses all over my skin to really just make sure everything is locked in and there's no creasing anywhere. Alright, I'm going to take this Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Rich Mahognay, and I'm going to use this powder to contour. I love these Black Radiance powders so much. Anytime I do someone's makeup, I'll use these Black Radiance powders to set their faces. So I'm in love with these powders. This is literally the only powder that I really reach for most of the time to contour, because I feel like it just gets the job done and the shade range is pretty decent. So this is definitely my favorite powder to contour, and I feel like Black Radiance is, you know, slept on a little bit, but they definitely have some great products. And if you haven't used any of their products, please check them out. They're very inexpensive. You can find them at Walmart, so that's one of the things that I love about them. Alright, I'm going in with this NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder, foundation powder, in the shade Warm Beige. Now I'm going to use this to kind of add a little bit of brightness back underneath my eyes. I know you guys are probably like, why is she doing all these unnecessary steps? But they're necessary to me. Everybody's skin is different, and I really want makeup to last. Alright you guys, now going in with the Dose of Colors iluvsarahii palette, eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the shade Finders Keepers. And I love this pretty. It's like a really pretty, how can I describe this? It's kind of like a peachy, like a tan, peachy nude shade. I'm going to take this color and I'm going to pop it into my crease. And going back into that same palette, I'm going to take the shade Poquito Mas. And this is really like a nice brick shade, like a earthy brown tone. And I love these shades so much. I'm always looking for a shade like that because I feel like it just works wonders as a transition shade. So I'm going to pop that into my crease as well, just slightly below Finders Keepers. Alright, so I'm just now making sure everything's nice and blended. Then I'm going to go into the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope palette, which is one of my favorite palettes ever to use. It's a little dirty, so excuse the dirtiness. But I'm going to take the shade 13th Floor. And this is just a true matte black. This is really a true black matte shadow, which is why I reach for this palette, because I love this black. Now, what I'm going to do is take this black and place it onto my outer V, just creating a V shape, a sideways V. I'm going to place it first and then I'm going to blend it out. I think I got that brush out of one of these eyeshadow palettes that I have in my makeup collection. I can't remember which one it was, but I like that it has a fluffy side and a flat side. I think it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush from the palette that I had. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, just taking the flat side to place the product, and then I'm taking the fluffy side to really blend it in, because I don't want to look like I just got hit in the face, hit in the eye, and I don't want that black to be too harsh. I want it to be very smoky and, you know, just giving me that smoky look. I don't want it to look too harsh. So that's another reason why I like to build when I'm working with blacks. I'll slightly add a little bit of product first, place it, blend it out, and then I continue to build on top of that, because like I said, I don't want it to look too harsh. I want it to look very sultry and very smoky, because it can be a game changer. If you just pile a bunch of black eyeshadow in the corner of your eye, you really look like you got socked in the face. Alright, so now for the start of the show, this was the part that I was just most excited about. This look, I'm going to take this, it's NYX. Yes, it's NYX Foil Play Cream Pigment, and this is in the shade Digital Glitch. Now this is a very pretty green, pretty. I just get holiday vibes. I get money vibes when I see this. And I just think about December. I think about a Christmas tree. I think about holiday parties. I just think about so much when I apply this product. Now before I applied the product, it is a pigment. It's not really a glitter. It's a foil pigment. So you can't apply it alone. But I did use the Too Faced glitter glue primer as a base to really make sure that foil pigment really kind of stood out and brightened it. Now I think this pigment is so pretty. Now I will say that once I kind of got it on my eyes, it was a little bit hard to really kind of move it, so I really had to really work with it. But just any advice, if you're gonna use a base like I did, don't let it dry down too fast. Just go ahead and layer the foil on top, because it did kind of make it a little bit hard to work with because I let the glitter glue dry. I thought it was going to work as like glitter, but hey, I was wrong. So yeah, but it's such a beautiful foil pigment. And I'm just going back in and just blending, making sure everything is blended out nice and smooth. And I'm going to go in, I'm going to dust away any fallout. And I did add a little bit more of that banana baking powder underneath just to catch that fallout, which is why you don't see any streaks. So it caught all of that fallout. And now I'm going back in with that matte black 13th floor from the Urban Decay palette. And I'm just going to smudge that underneath my lower lash line because I really want to give that smoky, and I just want to balance it out because this eye is very drama, and I want to balance it out and give that same drama on the bottom lash line as I have on the top lash line. But altogether, I was really happy with this look. It really came out really great. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going in with the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette, and I'm going to take the shade Just Right, I think that's the name of that shade. And it's just a mauvey purple color, and I'm using it as a blush today because I don't really want a pink blush. I want something that has like a purple undertone to it, and it worked perfectly as a blush. And I like to use shadows as blushes sometimes, you know, when I don't have a blush color that I'm looking for. So next I went in with this Makeup Revolution's Vivid Baked Highlighter in the shade Golden Lights. It's so pretty. It looks silver on camera, but this is definitely a gold highlighter, honey, and it was giving me life. Next for lashes, I used the Kisses Double Layer Lashes for the drama, yes, and I'm going in with this Stila liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Bacca, and it's a pretty berry color, and it just gives me holiday vibes as well. It's like this look is just so gorgeous. It's so pretty. You can definitely wear it to a holiday party. You can wear it on Christmas Day. You can wear it throughout the year if you want to. If you want to get glammed up and go somewhere, honey, you want to put this on, do it. Go for it. I support it, honey. But I'm just taking this liquid lipstick and putting it all over my lips just to kind of complete the look and tie everything together. Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much it. Once I'm done with my liquid lipstick, I am pretty much done with this look. I sprayed some setting spray to make sure my makeup lasts all day, and yeah, this is pretty much it, you guys. Alright, guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'm loving these eyes. It's giving me like that money green, like, oh, you expensive, you rich green. And the berry lips just really kind of ties everything together. Like, I'm definitely feeling this look. This look is wearable for a Christmas party. You can wear it on Christmas Day if you want to, Christmas Eve. any kind of holiday look, or even just like during the year. This is definitely a wearable look, and I just love it so much. I love how it turned out. Yeah, I love how my earrings kind of coordinate with it, so that was kind of, you know, making me really feel myself even more. Had to throw the wig on, you know. Guess this might be my holiday wig, I don't know yet. But anywho, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Alright, until next time, I'm your girl Nikki, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.